Our SharePoint environment, I would say, is our foundation. We've moved over our client files. It's centralized our workflows in a place that makes sense for everyone to access seamlessly under the IT managed environment. So we don't have to worry anymore that sensitive client information will be accessed from a different web page. It's all lives within our SharePoint environment. That just is the biggest foundation that we've set so far, and we're continuing to build that. But in other regards, I mean, we've set up client intake forms that we're always improving and using and making our processes more accessible to new hires who kind of understand and come into this environment and have stepping stones to progress, like where we're going. We've created multiple cognito forms, even as simple as a time off request form, something that'll help our internal team stay organized. And we have now documentation on everything. I mean, the list is endless, but we've done so much to not only improve outward processes for clients, but also our internal organization and processes.
Yeah, that's great because I know we spent a lot of time building these forms, building these workflows, these automations for you, and I'm glad that they're able to kinda show their value now that you're, deep in the battle and doing the work, and now everything's starting to come together.